Linking a table to another table in another database is really easy. Well, first of all, why would you want to do it? Let's say in my database here, I have another database out there that has somebody's contact information. And I don't want to have to go out and keep looking at their table every time they update it. Instead, I can actually create a virtual table here, or a table that will link to that table in the other person's database. For example, let me minimize this down to the tasks bar. And in the unmatched query database, double click to open that up. You can see I've got some contacts here. So we have Tim's contacts, double click and open it up. So anytime he comes in here and adds a new contact, makes a change of a contact's name or address, I want to be able to have that automatically update in my database by linking a table in there to this table right here. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and close out. And remember, the name is unmatched query. And then in my database, to link to it, I'm going to come up here, click on the External Data tab, down to the Import group and click on the Access button. Then I'm going to come down in here. Instead of importing, I want to be able to link to the data source by creating a linked table. And of course here it gives you the details. So I need to find my database. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Browse button. It takes me right to my exercise folder, and it's in the Unmatched Query database. Double click on that and then click OK. Then it says, alright, there's only two tables within this database. Which one do you want to be able to link to? It's going to be Tim's. Select it, click OK. There it is. It's got a picture of the table and a little arrow. And that little arrow indicates that it's not actually a table within your database. This is linked to another database. And as you can see, hovering over it gives me the address, and it's going right to the Unmatched Query database, and that's where the table's pulling in. So when I double click on it, I've got all this information. Now, if he makes a change, for example, let's take a look at Max Klinger, and we're going to change it in the other database. Let's see if it updates it here. So I'm going to come back down to my taskbar and maximize my exercise folder, and go ahead and double click and open up the Unmatched Query database. And let's open up Tim's contacts, and let's say instead of Max it's going to be Sue. Shift Enter to save it. Then I go back to my database, minimize down the taskbar. There it is, Sue. Well, you can see I'm in the Table Analyzer database versus the Unmatched Query database. So any changes here are going to automatically reflect in here because this is a linked table. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.